Ew. Hey you guys, so for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my June favorites. I have a few more products this month than I did last month, thankfully. A lot of them are older products that I found that I've recently fallen in love with again this summer because they've just been so helpful to me this summer. I'm definitely gonna have more favorites next month, I already know. I recently subscribed to BoxyCharm. I'm gonna have a lot of products to show you guys, if I like them or not. I'm also gonna be doing those as videos soon, which I'm super psyched for. I can't wait. I've always wanted to try BoxyCharm. I don't know what stopped me. I know what stopped me, money. But I recently caved. I realized it's such a good deal, so we'll see how that goes. So hopefully I'll have more favorites for you guys next month. We will see. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into my June favorites. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start this off with some makeup. I have a few makeup products I wanted to show you guys. These first two products have really been saving my butt this summer when it comes to sun protection. These are the Colorscience Forgettable Brush On Sunscreen. It comes like this. You take it out of the thingy. It comes in like a little brush like so, and usually I really don't care for products like that, but this one actually works really well. The brush is actually extremely soft. It doesn't feel brittle like most products like this do, and it literally just brushes on like so. And it's not super powdery. It's not gonna make your face look cakey throughout the day. It's not gonna make your face look cakey as soon as you put it on. It actually works really, really well and sinks into the skin so beautifully. Definitely like this product more than I thought I was going to. Colorscience actually went ahead and sent me this along with their bronzing perfector, and I've actually really been loving this too. Anytime I want like a little bit of a contour, say I'm gonna go to like the pool, this gives me just like the teensiest bit of coverage that I want when I'm at the pool, plus it's protecting my face from the sun. And then this one's just been giving me more of a bronzy glow when I'm at the pool or when I'm outside. And at the same time, it's also protecting my face from the sun, so you can't beat that. Thank you so much to Colorscience for sending me these. I really like them and I really appreciate them. Okay, so the next two products I want to show you guys are both lip products. One of them I am actually wearing on my lips today. This is the Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. I wouldn't say this is a gloss. This definitely feels like a liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade Shanghai Scarlett. This is a sample size, by the way, because I wanted to test out to see if I like this color, and it turns out I do. I usually hate reds like this on me, but I've really been venturing out more this year and just trying more makeup that scares me, and I just wanted to do something that gets me out of my comfort zone. And lately I found that I actually like wearing reds now. I used to hate wearing reds on me, but this year, I don't know, you guys, just been branching out, and I gotta say, feels good. Feels really good. I absolutely love the way these feel on the lips. They don't dry out your lips. They feel so hydrating. It is a full pigmented gloss. It doesn't come off throughout the day. I honestly feel like this is a liquid lip formula, but it's comfortable. It's not sucking the life out of my lips, you know, like most liquid lipsticks do. I love this color. I think this color is absolutely gorgeous, and this is at the drugstore. You cannot beat that, you guys. You just can't. And then the last lip product I want to show you guys, this has definitely been a favorite of mine in the past, only because this collection came out a little while ago, and I just really been loving it more and more this summer than I did even before when I tried it out, because I just think this is such a staple shade in summer. This lipstick is from the brand Tarte. It was a part of their Rainforest of the Sea collection, I believe. Just look at this packaging, you guys. This packaging is just so outstandingly gorgeous. I love it. It just screams summer to me. And this specific lipstick is in the shade Beach Babe. Oh my god, I love this color. This is the perfect nude. When I say this is the perfect nude, this is the perfect nude. I'm aware that I've said that about a few lip products in the past, you guys, but you know what? I'm throwing that all out the door right now. This is the perfect nude. Don't get me wrong, it's extremely intimidating. When you first put it on the lips, definitely looks more like you're wearing foundation on your lips, not gonna lie, but I don't know what it is. I've really been loving that look lately, especially if I'm doing like an over-the-top eye, or say I am wearing a more pigmented lipstick and I want it to be just a little bit lighter, or I want it to have like an ombre effect. I have been using this like crazy for that, and I have been loving it so much this month for that. Okay, so the next product I want to show you guys has been saving my hair this summer. You guys don't even understand. Usually in the summer, I am such a frizzy haired gal. It's unreal how bad. Like, have you guys ever seen that episode of Friends where Monica's hair starts to just grow and grow and grow as the humidity starts to get worse and worse? That is usually me in the summertime. I am Greek. It is genetic. I can't help it. There's nothing I can do about it. Until I found this product. This is from the brand Color Wow. I've really been loving this brand lately, you guys. They have just been saving my hair, all I have to say. And this is the Dreamcoat Super Natural Spray. So this spray is supposed to magically transform texture for amazing humidity proofing powers. And let me tell you, this product has been working for me so well lately. I honestly can't believe how much frizz has gone down in my hair lately since I started using this. And this works through 3 washes. So I only have to do it once. I can wash my hair 3 times and it will still last. That's the other thing I love about this. I don't have to keep reapplying it every single time I shower, which is even better and so much more of a plus with this product. This has just been such a staple for me this month. I know in all the summers to come, this is going to be the product I am going to reach for my hair. Okay, so this next product I've also really been loving, and I didn't think I was going to love it as much as I do. I actually got this like a year ago from where I used to work. This is from Pink, and this is the Sun-Kissed Bronze Shimmer Oil. This just makes your skin look gorgeous, radiant, and not your face. Don't put this on your face. You don't want to do that. I like to put this all over my body. Say if I'm going to go to the pool or if I'm wearing shorts, I like to put it on my legs just to give my legs just a teensy bit of a glow because I am a very pasty gal, and this really helps with that. It makes my legs look a lot more radiant. It makes my body look more radiant and shimmery and bronzy and pretty, and it doesn't come out patchy either, which I really love. When I first started using this, I thought it was going to be like super patchy on my skin, and it wasn't. So I was extremely happy about that when I started using this, and this has definitely been such a huge essential for me this summer. I have been loving it. The next product I'm going to show you guys is another skincare product, and I've definitely shown this to you guys before in the past, but in the summertime, this is always going to be a favorite of mine. This is such a summer scent to me. This is the Pacifica Tuscan Blood Orange Intensely Moisturizing Body Butter. You guys, this is my favorite body butter of life. It is amazing. It is perfection. Everything I want in a body butter and more. This scent is unreal. You guys, just go to Target and smell this. Just do it now. Just pause this video, run to Target really fast, open the lid, and smell this. You're done. That's it. You're done. You're buying it after smelling the scent, you guys. It is unreal how amazing this smells, and when it's on your body, it lasts all day, and it's not nauseating. It's not too harsh on the skin. It makes your skin so soft and buttery. This is my perfect body butter. Nothing else compares with this, you guys. I have one other body butter that I really love too, but this one, oh, it just takes the cake for me, especially in the summertime. They are vegan and cruelty free, which is a huge plus. I love it so much, you guys. I love it so much. And then the last product I want to show you guys is this sports bra that was actually sent to me by the brand Tomboy X. I have been wearing their sports bras like non-stop now since they sent me a few of them, but this one's my favorite one that they sent me because this one is in collaboration with Pride Month, and I absolutely love it. I love the rainbow on the very end. Their products are so comfortable to wear. They don't start to chafe or feel weird throughout the day, which I really appreciate. It's just such a good brand, and I love how they decided to come out with a line dedicated to Pride Month. I thought that was really amazing, so I had to go and pick this one out. I just thought it was so cool. So I just want to say thank you to Tomboy X as well for sending me the sports bras. I think they're so comfortable, and I absolutely love them. I really appreciated it. And yeah, you guys, that's all the products that I had for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be. I will see you guys in my next video, and remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys.